So, hi guys, we had a guy in the Reddit forum who had a problem to load these two models here. He told us, um, especially this one has no other version. I have to specify what is this, what kind of GGUF he uses. I tried to download them both. Um, yeah. Let's see. I want to clarify with the model he had here, but I'm sure we can download this model now. That's because this is not only one, and he has a lot of errors, but I'm pretty sure we can find this out. So we put this in here and get file. My fault, because to go one back, we have to be in this. So I guess let's see. It's a bit strange. Yeah, download. I'm back if this is finished. So I am back. This model is unloaded, so we reload it. And here it is. And then we try to load it, like detected. And yep, boom, we run in an error. So let's see. Um, Quantization 4 doesn't fit in my two graphic cards. This really looks like, yeah. Look at this context size. No way this works. Um, so this looks like a real big, even if it's just a 12 billion model, it looks like it's from this. It looks like it takes a lot of space. So let's try to first put it in the one RTX 3090 to see what happens. So we put here 0, 100, so 100% in the 3090. No row split, no mmap, and this cannot work. So this is what I see. ChatML. I would say this is based on Mistral.
Y me llama el cocinero.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. Any information? Including merge. Yeah, it's Mistral, Mistral. Okay, if it's a Mistral model, I guess it can at max use this. Um, Even this seems to be really high, but let's see. 0, 100 doesn't load because Llama CUDA tensors. I guess it wants tensor cores to have to load. Ah, the magic happens. And if it has tensor cores, it loads and it takes 12 GB as suggested. Yeah, let's see. This model. Yeah, 13 GB. Yeah. Yeah, so I guess this guy had a 12 GB graphic card. And yeah, perhaps you can load with GGUF, you can load this in your RAM. Maybe we try this, if this works here. Let's unload it. And we do it the opposite and try to 0, 1. No. Guess then we have to put 33 or something like this GPU layers. No. Less. uh, 30. Yeah, but close to 28. Yeah, it's loaded. Yeah, perhaps you have to use an alpaca template here with parameters, instructions template, alpaca, load, and but it is really at the max. But this maybe is also cause of my plugins, so maybe this would work with uh, with 33 on your system if you don't have so much plugins like I have. So I hope this helps. This is how to load what is it? Marina Spaghetti Nemo Mix Unlashed 12 GB GGUF in Oobabooga. So it works. Bye.